How to handle misfires in power-actuated tools. What should be done if the tool misfires? Continue to hold the tool in the firing position for 30 seconds. Try to fire it again. If it still does not fire after a second attempt, hold it in the firing position for another 30 seconds. If it still does not operate as it should, carefully remove the faulty cartridge according to the manufacturer's instructions. Immediately place the faulty cartridge in water after removal to reduce the likelihood of it exploding. Remember to handle misfires with care to avoid accidents. Safety matters. Enroll in our course, EM 385-11 40-hour training.